Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
CBAP Business Analysis Professional. Lecture 8, Solution Evaluation. Solution evaluation is the process of assessing the effectiveness, feasibility, and suitability of a proposed solution to a problem or challenge. It involves systematically analyzing the potential solutions against specific criteria to determine which one best meets the needs and objectives of the situation at hand. Here's an explanation of the key components involved in solution evaluation. 1. Criteria definition. Before evaluating potential solutions, it's essential to establish clear criteria against which each solution will be assessed. These criteria should align with the goals, requirements, and constraints of the problem being addressed. Criteria may include factors such as cost, feasibility, impact, sustainability, scalability, and alignment with organizational values or objectives. 2. Evaluation process. The evaluation process involves systematically comparing each solution against the established criteria. This may include qualitative and quantitative analysis, such as cost-benefit analysis, risk assessment, or stakeholder feedback. Different evaluation techniques and methodologies may be employed depending on the nature of the problem and the available resources. 3. Scoring or ranking. Solutions are often scored or ranked based on how well they meet the established criteria. This can help prioritize solutions and identify the most promising options. Scoring systems may vary, but they generally involve assigning weights to each criterion and then calculating an overall score for each solution based on its performance against those criteria. 4. Decision-making. Once all potential solutions have been evaluated and scored, the next step is to make a decision on which solution to implement. This decision should be based on the analysis of the evaluation results, taking into account the relative strengths and weaknesses of each solution, as well as any trade-offs that may need to be considered. 5. Feedback and iteration. Solution evaluation is not always a one-time process. Feedback from stakeholders and monitoring of implementation outcomes may reveal new information or challenges that necessitate revisiting and refining the evaluation criteria or reassessing the chosen solution. Iteration allows for continuous improvement and adaptation to changing circumstances.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.